guys, and into today's video, I'm going to tell you a story about how I got told off for yawning, so let's go. I was in class and my teacher was teaching us. So I was a bit tired, so obviously I yawn until I hear my teacher say, "Cassie." I nearly jumped, so I looked to see him looking at me disappointedly. My teacher says, "Cassie, am I boring you?" Which was unbelievable. After he said that, I was astonished. So I started telling everyone how unbelievable he was for telling me for yawning. So that is the end of the story, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.